Who can shout the most out of you people?
Yo 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 me.
No, me babe me.
You sound like a kid baby.
No, I can shout the most. None of you losers will be able to beat my shouting.
Come on, you guys couldn't shout the most even if your life depended on it.
Okay Gary, you win for having the best saying or whatever in this argument. See you next time on Argumentative Channel.
Hey, that's not fair, you Brett. I shout the most, you idiot.
Come on, you little baby, you couldn't shout the most. You're only a child.
I am not a child, you big fat loser, and if you call me a kid again I'll call the police and you'll wish you were never born.